Hey guys, I want to show you the two latest T to H templates that we've released to the public. They're done, they're ready, they have all the functionality of T to H websites, so they're ready to be controlled remotely if you want. You can create a massive amount of pages onto any of them. You can have them follow any rules you want. So this one is called the Life Coach template. Totally gorgeous. We absolutely love this thing. And there's no cheating here. This is not an image. This is actually verbiage that you control in a font where you control the font style, the font family, and the font color. So you can really make this work for anything. Okay. If I go to scroll down, okay, you'll see it just stays nice and clean, easy on the eyes, really cool professional effects. Okay. It does all the stuff that you would like it to do. Different sections where you can make your points, okay, lead people through different ideas, and you can decide what you want to do here. It could be successful stories, testimonials, meet our team, whatever you like, and make your main points. It's just images that have this cool cropping effect naturally in the template. News and articles, all of this just really easy on the eyes, makes you look really good, whether you're using this for your own personal business or you're using this for a company. So you can use this for literally anything you want, any program you want. And the controls in the back are exactly what's familiar to you. Everything in the back end operates the way you would think. So you can fill in global variables, you can decide all the stuff you want, what you want to put there, and you can go ahead and decide everything about the layout, the fonts, the colors, the sliders, what they say. See, banner title, right? Inspiring you to live a healthier lifestyle, right? And it's using that image, which you can browse to. Do work that aligns with your heart and so on. That's how easy it is to control exactly the verbiage that's here, okay? You can literally decide all of this stuff. Totally beautiful, totally easy. There's the text for the first button and the link, text for the second button and the link. And then you can decide what you want the next banner image to say, and the next one. And of course, you can always drag and drop these to resort the order and just save your changes. So you can do everything you want with this website. Control everything on the front end, every bit of verbiage, all the different icons, everything. And then on the back end, of course, or on the back end, the colors. You can control every color, every font in the font family, every style, every size of every font, for every different section of the entire system, right? Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely easy to use, and it installs anywhere, any website. It installs just like the Moji add-on tool does. You can enable parallax for background images if that's what you want to do. You know, section by section, you have that control. So then the next template that's also available now is this one here. It's a woodwork template. Okay, we really like the way this breaks down. See how that zoom out effect works? Really neat. And then you have this pop up to make your points in the middle of it all. Okay, and your main menu up here. And you come down, our services. This can be any kind of hover over, any kind of clickable. Okay, view. You know, you want to put your video in here, more about us, whatever you like. Why choose us? Look at that, just clean. Watch this, I love this double effect. See that? Whatever this says, then when you view in, it gives you a pop-up as to what the verbiage is and a view project link. Check that out. And you can change what the words say and you can change where these go, whichever page of the website. So it's totally cool. Explore all our works, right? Whatever that means for you, because you can use this for anything you want. All right. All of your stuff is built in here. It's so simple. And of course, every section can be flipped on or flipped off, depending on whether you're using it or not. Okay? So totally under your control. Absolutely great effects. Totally beautiful template. All right. And as you imagine, it has the same admin panel, right? Everything you want to do in here follows the same kind of rules. It's just whatever the rules are for that specific template. So everything up here, everything that comes next, totally under your control. Just decide what you want on or off, what you want to link to things, images to use, save your changes, and that's it. Double check the front end by clicking to refresh it, right? And that way you can see what you did. Okay, where do you get these awesome templates? These are the greatest TDH templates we've ever created. The most professional, the most stirring, captivating, gives you the best clout, coolest templates yet. Where do you get them? If you go to gettrialleads.com, then you can sign up. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and sign up. That would be get access right here. So getting access, okay? Send you down here. Just fill in the simple form. You will need a coupon code. Either you have a coupon code, or you've probably already joined. But if you need to use one, use this one. Okay, E971A7F, all lowercase. Okay, and then that way, let me get out of here. That way you can get access, okay? And that gives you access to the 2019 Moji add-on tool, which is free. So it's very cool, very convenient. And you'll sign up and get access, and that'll put you on the inside. And on the inside, you can get that free Moji add-on tool right here, okay? You can go through all kinds of things that are here, watch the videos, understand what all this is about. But the templates themselves, all right, are right here. TDH websites, $295 each, okay? There's one for banner, one for blocks. Here's the life coach one we were just showing you, and the Woodworks one we were just showing you. All right, so you can get these by hitting buy now. That'll just take you over to PayPal. And when you go to buy it, you can either buy it directly through PayPal, or you can pay with a debit or credit card. And that way you can go ahead and pay with a credit card instead. No PayPal required. Okay, there you go. 2 totally new, absolutely awesome templates. And you can get them and install them to as many websites as you want. The last point I'll make, for those of you who, I should come back to here. For those of you who need a website to put it on, each of your templates are one template at a time. You'll get your domain names from GoDaddy, but you can buy a cPanel hosting here, $50 a year. And you can put all your websites on there. You just go ahead and get a domain name, point the name servers, enter your domain name here, and hit go. And that will allow us to create that cPanel for you, and then you'll have it. And then any additional domain names you want to purchase, you can make them add-on domains on that cPanel if you wish. And that way you can run multiple templates. You can have one of these on one of those websites, this on another one of those websites, and you can actually install them multiple times to multiple different domain names and then make any changes you want to each of them. They install just like the Moji add-on tool, which means that this video here covers it right here. Just do the same thing you would for this and you'll be able to install your new templates. Won't take you but a handful of minutes to get it done. Thank you for your support, and we're looking forward to getting you on a roll.